New tonight, the Department of Justice shared more than 100,000 records from the January 6th Capitol riot with Richard Barnett's attorneys. He's one of a handful of Arkansans charged in those riots. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Brandon Evans.
And I'm Paige Preusse. We want to go to 4029's Emma Clayburgh. She's joining us live right now. You spoke to one of Barnett's attorneys tonight. Emma, how do they plan on using all of this new evidence exactly?
Well, Paige and Brandon, that evidence includes more than 6,000 hours of video and 112,000 law enforcement records. Richard Barnett's attorney told me that they've been waiting for months to get access to this evidence, and he says that he thinks it will be helpful in Barnett's particular case.
Generally, we get discovery much earlier in these cases, and then we get some material right before trial as well. That sort of process has gone out of the window for January 6th defendants because of the sheer magnitude of the size of the investigation. Electronic discovery in these cases are massive.
Defense attorneys now have access to an electronic evidence system that gives them access to 4,800 hours of footage from 515 U.S. Capitol security cameras, 1,600 hours of footage from 900 police body cameras, and more than 100,000 records from the U.S. Capitol Police, the Metropolitan Police Department, and the FBI. Richard Barnett's attorney says the video evidence will help corroborate Barnett's claims that he was forced through the doors into the Capitol and then was left to freely roam around. He says the other records will help shine a light on how much police knew ahead of the insurrection.
We also need to know how much advance the Capitol Police had in terms of preparing for January 6th. As far as we can tell, they had sufficient knowledge of a massive protest going to take place that day and sort of just laid down and let it happen, which begs the question, why?
Richard Barnett is currently out on bail and is facing several charges after he was photographed inside Speaker Nancy Pelosi's office on January 6th. McBride says he thinks the new evidence will help Barnett's case, not hurt it.
You shouldn't get upwards of 20 years in jail for being invited into a building and putting your feet up on a desk. That is ridiculous. This is the United States of America. It's not North Korea, and we don't do that here.
McBride says Barnett's next court appearance is likely happening sometime in November, but he says he expects the trial will not start until at least 2022. Reporting live in Fayetteville, Emma Clayburgh, 4029 News.